Okay, students. So today we are going to learn past perfect tense and how we will make active and passive sentences using past perfect tense. So condition is written here. Action had completed before another action began in the past. બે સિચ્યુએશન અહીંયા સેટ કરવાની છે આપણે. એક્શન હેડ કમ્પ્લીટેડ બિફોર અનધર એક્શન બિગન ઇન ધ પાસ્ટ. કોઈક ક્રિયા પાસ્ટમાં થઈ પતી ગઈ છે તે પહેલા કોઈ ક્રિયા પૂર્ણ થઈ ગઈ છે એમ દર્શાવવા માટે પાસ્ટ પરફેક્ટ ટેન્સ વપરાય છે. એને એક્ઝામ્પલ થ્રુ સમજવા માટે આપણે આ જે એક્ઝામ્પલ છે એને સ્ટડી કરીશું. બટ બિફોર ધેટ we just understand which kind of words we can use in past perfect tense and which type of verb we have to use to make sentence in past perfect tense. So words when, after, before, such kind of words we can use. I write down sentences afterwards, so you will understand the use of these words. Main thing is the use of verb. Which kind of verb we can use in past perfect tense? Had plus V3. Had plus V3. Okay, here we have used go as a verb. I will write down the verb form of go here. Go, V1 form. Went, gone, going, and goes. These are verb forms of go, and V3 form we have to use. This is the V3 form. V3. Gone. So they, with all the subjects we have to use had plus V3. They had gone to school. He had gone to school. In a negative sentence, we have to use not in a sentence. They had gone to school. Negative, they had not gone to school. He hadn't gone to school. Had plus not. Not. Contract form of had not is done. Okay. Interrogative sentence, we use had plus followed by subject, it is followed by with a form. Had they gone to school? Had he gone to school? In a positive, we say positive sentence, they had gone to school. Negative, they hadn't gone to school. Interrogative, had they gone to school? Another example is he. He has gone to school. He had gone to school. He hadn't gone to school. An interrogative, had he gone to school? Now the thing that we have to understand properly is this example. action had completed before another action began in the past. Now we have to describe two actions that were completed in the past. Here, for example, after Rina had eaten an apple. After Rina had eaten an apple, she went to school. So before Rina went to school, she had eaten an apple. એટલે પહેલી એક્શન જે છે એપલ ખાવાની છે અને બીજી એક્શન છે જે સ્કૂલે જવાની છે. બરાબર? તો first action is indicated by past perfect. And second action is described by simple past. After Rina had eaten an apple, this is the first action. After Rina had eaten an apple, past perfect, had eaten. She went to school. This is second action. She went to school. So this kind of sentences we can create with the use of past perfect tense. And basic things, the verb form that we have to memorize is had plus V3. Had plus V3, third form, past participle form. And with the use of after, before, we can use such kind of sentences. We can make such kind of sentences. Anybody wants to ask any question regarding this past perfect tense? Then capture a screenshot. We will practice one more sentence of this tense in active sentences. Then after we will learn how to make passive sentences. Capture screenshot and write down this in a homework with practice practice of other sentences with different verbs. Okay, now we will practice one more sentence.
સર
Yes.
તમે આ સ્ક્રીનશોટ પડાવ્યો તો એમાં તો અગાડી થઈ ગયું તે પાછું લખવાનો આ સ્ક્રીનશોટ
પાછો જેનો થઈ ગયો છે એને નહીં લખવાનું, તમારે પેલા એક્ટિવ પેસિવ નાના પછી આવશે એ લઈ લેજો.
હા સારું હા.
Tense is past perfect yes. Okay, verb form આપણે યુઝ કરીએ છીએ. Right, brought, return, writing, and okay. Positive sentence. બનાવવું હોય આપણે સેન્ટેન્સ બનાવશું. રાહુલ had written a letter. આવું સિમ્પલ સેન્ટેન્સ તમે બનાવી શકો just for practice. Negative, Rahul, sorry, not has, it's a had. Rahul had not, short form hadn't. Contract form doesn't all hadn't. written a letter. सेंटेंस થશે તમારું WH સેન્ટેન્સ ક્વેશ્ચન બનાવી પહેલા આગળ આવશે હેડ રાહુલ return a letter. ક્વેશ્ચન છે આન્સર આપવાનો હોય તો yes head એ આપવો તમારે તો no we hadn't. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में आगे what Rahul return. Okay, these are the simple sentences of past perfect tense. Simple sentence of past perfect tense. Okay, had plus V3. Rahul had written a letter. Rahul had not written, hadn't written a letter. Had Rahul written a letter? Yes, he had. No, he hadn't. So WH question: what had Rahul written? After and before, the use of after and which and had died before doctor came. Okay, doctor ના આપેલા ક્વેશ્ચન એક્સપાયર થઈ ગયો છે before doctor came. After ને યુઝ કરીએ આપણે after had died doctor came. So in our example after before had written and for Rina went to we had written an apple. स्कूले जवाब पहला एप्पल खाधो. आफ्टर दी लेवल after Rina had eaten an apple he went to school. बराबर है. Our tense is past perfect tense, verb form write, wrote, written, writing, writes, positive sentence. Positive sentence. Rahul, for example, Rahul had written a letter. Negative sentence. Rahul hadn't written a letter. Interrogative. Yes, no પૂછીએ આપણે. Yes, no question કરીએ. આપેલું છે had થી question છે. Had Rahul written a letter? Answer આવશે yes, he had. મૂકી દઈશું. No, he hadn't. WH question કરીએ. What he પૂછ્યું? What had Rahul written? This is the use of after and before. Of after before. After before word use कौन से? एक्चुअली जो सेंटेंस बने છે તે આ ટાઈપના બને છે તમારે આ તો ખાલી પ્રેક્ટિસ માટે ઉપરના બતાવ્યા છે તમારે જો સેન્ટેન્સ બનાવવો હોય તો આફ્ટર બિફોર નો યુઝ કરીને બનાવી શકો The patient had died before doctor came. Doctor ના પેલા patient expire થઈ ગયો હતો. એ જ રીતે after એ બનાવી શકો. After patient had died, doctor came. એ રીતે બીજું એક્ઝામ્પલ છે. Before Rina went to school, she had eaten an apple. સ્કૂલ જવા પહેલા એપલ ખાઈ લીધું. અહીં after થી લઈએ તો after Rina had eaten an apple, she went to school. અહીંયા ખાસ તમારે યાદ રાખવાનું છે કે અહીંયા જે છે had eaten first activity છે and went to school another second activity છે. એટલે first activity જે છે તેમાં past perfect યુઝ કરશો. સેકન્ડ માં તમારું સિમ્પલ પાસ્ટ આવશે. Past perfect tense sentence positive, negative, interrogative અને WH છે તમારા positive માં Rahul had written a letter, Rahul hadn't written a letter. Had written, negative માં hadn't written. હવે interrogative માં had આગળ લેવાનું છે અને written પાછળ આવશે. WH માં પણ what had આગળ આવશે, written પાછળ આવશે. Had Rahul written a letter? WH what had Rahul written? અને એક્સેપ્ટ સેન્ટેન્સ તમારા આ ટાઈપના બનશે. આ પ્રોપર તમારો યુઝ છે. You have to make such kind of sentences if you want to use past perfect tense. Whenever this kind of situation you want to describe, you have to use past perfect tense. So especially this thing, for the first action that was completed before another action began in the past. Before another action completed in the past. For the first action we use past perfect. The second action we use. This is the mixture of two tenses, past perfect and simple past. Past perfect tense you need a reference of simple past to talk about the action that was completed before another action completed in the past. This is all about past perfect tense, active sentences. Now we are going to learn how we can make passive sentences in past perfect tense. Any student want to ask any question in this sense can ask. Yeah. Okay, now we will learn passive sentences. Past perfect tense, positive, active and passive. I'll write down the verb form of active and passive verb that we have to use. Had plus U3 passive verb had plus been plus V3. Okay. A verb head plus V3, passive verb head plus been plus V3. Now it is our verb here. I'll write down the different forms of it. Done. X. These are the different forms. We have to use V3, V3 in both. This is the V3 form. In active sentence, Rina had eaten an apple. Had eaten. In the passive, an apple we write first. Object comes as subject. An apple had eaten. It's an active verb, and we have to use passive verb in a passive sentence. Had been eaten. By subject is followed by subject is used followed by the word by. My word you have to add here by Rina. Positive sentence. The negative sentence, Rina hadn't eaten an apple. An apple hadn't been eaten by Rina. So with you, had Rina eaten an apple? Had an apple been eaten by Rina? Double H question, what had Rina eaten? What had been eaten by Rina? Who had eaten an apple? By whom had an apple been eaten? Past perfect active. Now, Rina had eaten an apple. Passive, an apple had been eaten by Rina. Active, Rina hadn't eaten an apple. An apple hadn't been eaten by Rina. Interrogative, had Rina eaten an apple? Had an apple. शुरू करिए ये. Had plus subject plus V3. ये રીતે passive માં પણ had plus object an apple been eaten by Rina. What had been eaten by Rina? What had Rina eaten? What had been eaten by Rina? Who had eaten an apple? By whom had an apple been eaten? Past perfect, active and passive sentences. Capture screenshot. Capture screenshot. So we will practice on one more sentence. चलो स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो बताया.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
We practice on the same tense. માઇક્રોફોન ઓફ કર્યો તમારો અવાજ આવે છે. Turn on your microphone, turn off your microphone. Past perfect tense. Active sentence are written here. Now I will write down passive sentences. Rahul had written past perfect tense, right rod, written, writing, writes. Active verb, had plus V3. Passive verb, had plus been plus V3. Okay. So Rahul had written a letter. I'll make passive. This is active sentence. I'll make passive sentence of this. A letter I will use first. A letter had been written by Rahul. Okay, active sentence and passive sentence. Rahul had written a letter. A letter had been written by Rahul. Letter had been written by Rahul. Okay. Say when negative, Rahul hadn't written a letter. This is your active sentence. Say a letter hadn't been written by Rahul. Okay. Interrogative sentence. Yes, no question. Had Rahul written a letter? This is your active sentence. Written a letter. Passive is had a letter in by Rahul. Question. Now WH question. What had Rahul written? Sentence. Then passive of this. What had been written by Rahul? What had been written by Rahul? These sentences we have learned how to make this kind of sentence in active form. We don't make it passive. Okay, we just understand these sentences only for passive format. What had Rahul written? This is your active sentence. Passive. What had been done by Rahul? So positive, Rahul had written a letter. Active sentence, Rahul had written a letter. Passive sentence, a letter had been written by Rahul. Rahul had written a letter. Passive, a letter hadn't been written by Rahul. Okay. Negative, negative, active, active sentence. Rahul hadn't written a letter. Passive, a letter hadn't been written by Rahul. Okay. Sentence. Letter hadn't been written by Rahul. Interrogative sentence. Had Rahul written a letter? Passive, had a letter been written by Rahul. Okay, capture a screenshot. Capture screenshot fast. Negative,
Sir,
active, passive, interrogative, active, passive, yes, no, double expression, active.